and welcome back to my channel. I don't know what that was. I'm super duper excited because I am giving you guys today a tour of my apartment, my studio apartment. Now, if this is your first time here today, my name is Beebee, and on my channel, I talk about all things nursing, I vlog, lifestyle, and everything else in between. So today, like I said, we are going to be touring my apartment. Now, this is a temporary place for me. I am a travel nurse here in Boston, so I am going to be living in this space for the next 8 to 12 weeks. I'm not sure yet. But in the meantime, I have customized it and made it my own. On top of that, I also want to feature today all the things that I bring with me on my travel assignments to make my space more homey and more comfortable for me. Now, a lot of people always ask me questions as to what to bring with them, what they should take when they're on a travel assignment. Well, this is the video, guys. I'm going to show you everything that I bring with me and things that I purchase once I get to my space. Your best friend is always going to be the dollar store off the rip. There's a lot of things that you can get at the dollar store that you typically use on a daily basis. I definitely wouldn't go to places like Target or Walmart or whatever, because a lot of them you can get at the dollar store on the low. So if you want to save your money. And that's pretty much it. So I'm not going to talk. I'm just going to show you guys the space and kind of just give you this tour. Tis all. Let's go. All right, so we are in the entranceway of my studio apartment, and I just want to give you guys a tour and just let you know why I have certain things while I'm here and why those things work for me. Okay, so as you first enter, as you can see, I have these Converses over here, and they are not friends with these shoes over here because these are the ones that I go to work with, and I do not put my work shoes with my regular shoes. Now, I know some nurses have been leaving their shoes on the outside of the apartment, and I see that in my building. I would not do that because that just lets people know that you're home or you're not home, and you don't need that, especially if you're in a strange place. Please do not do that. And these are all my other shoes. Now, over here, the way that they have my studio apartment set up is absolutely perfect because this is all storage and everything that I need because there's not a closet. So this is like amazing. So guys, this is everything that I bring with me when I am on a travel assignment. All right, so up there is an iron. I did not provide that. That was here when I got here. I never use it. That's why it's all the way up there. So over here is my scrubs. So my rule of thumb is I always just bring enough scrubs for 2 weeks because then you could just do laundry every other week. So I have 8 pairs of scrubs here because I work 4 days a week on this assignment, and this is just sweaters and hoodies just in case I need to layer because I'm in Massachusetts and it's cold. This is a shirt, like a thermal type undershirt, and I always bring a whole bunch of these when I'm on a travel assignment because depending on the facility that you're at, sometimes you don't have to wear a scrub top. You can just wear one of these, and if it's super duper cold in the unit that you're working at, you could always use this to layer with your scrub stuff. And in addition, if you guys want to know where I get these, my secret place that I get them from is Rainbow. Yo, they have like the best, like comfiest undershirts that I have ever seen, as well as tank tops, and I get them on the low for like $6.99, and I get them in these colors, which is just navy, black, and white, and they are perfect for just layering. And like I said, sometimes you can get away with just wearing this and a scrub jacket. So over here, I had bought my jacket. This is just my work jacket. And these are just a couple of things that I had picked up because when I first got here, it was so cold. The other thing that I have is a whole bunch of yoga pants. And they're just super duper comfy. They're compact. You can fit a whole bunch of them in your suitcase for when you're traveling. And that is just a godsend. They just fit everything. Over here, I just have some work pants because I thought we were gonna have orientation, so I didn't even end up using them, and a dress. And then these are just tank tops because under all my scrubs, I always have tank tops. Oh, and another little trick that I do, ladies, I always try, if I'm like cold or the unit's always cold, I always just put a pair of tights under my scrubs, and that just keeps me warm. So everything that I purchase and everything that I bring with me serve for a multitude of different purposes. And that's pretty much it. This hat actually was a gift that was given to us by Delta at the facility, and I just thought it was super duper cute. Down here, I just have some t-shirts, shorts, and some scrubs, and then down here is my underwear and bras, but y'all don't need to see all that. So that is pretty much it. Look at these cabinets. Look, guys, they don't even slam. I need that in my life. They don't even slam. So over here, this is my not so organized cabinet. I have my suitcase up here, and then this was my carry-on when I was coming. This is my jacket. This is my work bag. So this is everything that I keep in my work bag. If you guys want to know all that's in here, I will link that video down below, as well as tag it like up here. You'll see it somewhere up here. This is my regular little satchel that I run errands and stuff with. These are just some little towelettes and washcloths that I actually purchased yesterday at the Target. These are super, super important and convenient. And the reason I like these is because they serve a multitude of different purposes. So I have to go back and get a different color because I completely forgot. But I usually get two colors. One is for cleaning surfaces, and then another color I get to use in the bathroom for when I'm cleaning up. Washing my face is like basically washcloths. And this is just scrub caps. This is just my medicine. And these are my Target bags. So I keep these around because I don't have a basket to put all my dirty clothes in. So this is super duper convenient. When I have dirty clothes, I just put them in a bag and then just put them over here, or I'll put them by the laundry space. And then when it's time for me to wash, I just grab them and throw them in there. This is just a cup that I have for work, and that's pretty much it. And this is that closet. Now down here, this is how the company had it when I first came. They had all of my pots and pans and stuff over here. These I just threw down there myself. They were originally on the counter. And if you watched my previous video, like a couple videos back, I had shown you what the apartment looked like when I first got here. And those were all on the counter. And I hate a cluttered counter. So I had to put those away. Plus I wasn't using them. So, OMG, I just skipped the fridge. Let's see what's in the fridge. Okay, so guys, when I am on a travel assignment, this is what my fridge will typically look like. It's bare and minimum. We got lemon for lemon water. These are for my eyes. These are like little eye things. Butter, kind of important. This is actually from my meal delivery kit. I use Freshly, and I order these because they're cheaper than takeout. And I don't always want to spend $30 on Uber Eats. So I get them delivered here. Another tip that I can give you when you are traveling is purchasing a whole bunch of these little, and you could stack these in your suitcase, so it's not a lot of space. So I just make meals and then I put them in here, and then I have them for days on end. As you guys can see, I already have 4 ready to go for the week. They're not just for work. I eat them for lunch and whatever else. And then these are when I want to just do something a little different. I made chicken tikka masala, by the way. That's all that's in here. And this is just muffins, bread, to make anything, like to make sandwiches, to make toast, strawberry. This is just chicken salad that I purchased if I just want to make a quick sandwich. This is just some food I got at the hospital that I didn't eat. And of course, eggs, because I love eggs. And that is pretty much it for the fridge. The freezer, I have ice cream. Just little things from home that make me happy. I love this ice cream. Give this video no, I want you to comment ice cream if you know this ice cream and how great it is. This is just Purdue chicken, some meatballs, and I buy these things bigger than norm so then I can make, like I said, enough for like days. And then down here is just the stuff that I can make. They're all frozen, and I'm gonna use these to make like meals for the week. So over here, the company provided me this and all the cutting and stuff. Oh, instant coffee. So instant coffee is another thing that I really like to have, that I went and I purchased because it's not messy. You don't have to whip out that whole coffee whatever thing. And this one is actually really, really good. This is just a thermos that I had purchased so I could put water for when I'm going to work, just so I can stay hydrated at all times. And I got this one at Target yesterday and I'm so in love with it. It's just a little basket that the company left for me, my toaster, and of course paper towels. And that is pretty much it. That is the kitchen area all organized. Now, under in the sink area. So this is a combination of things that the company brought me and things that I purchased myself that I would get if I was on a travel assignment. And first and foremost, sponges. So when I first got here, they only gave me one sponge, so I went out and I purchased more. Dollar store, guys. So I purchased these sponges at the dollar store. There's a whole bunch, so it'll last me the whole time I'm here for $1. And these little things were to scrub my pots and my pans. These little scrubbing pads, $1. Air freshener, because I live in a studio apartment and I've never lived in one before, and I hate when I am cooking and the whole apartment smells like chicken tikka masala. So I have these Glade plugins, and my favorite scents are lavender and cotton. Like, I love cotton scents. Like, it just makes me feel like I just did laundry. Of course, because of the times that we are in, we got Lysol. I bought me some Ajax so I could wash my dishes because they gave me the fancy stuff, and I promise, I don't know what kind of soap that is, but this will get your dishes clean, okay? And I also just purchased little pods so I could do my my dishes and stuff, and these were only $1 at the dollar store, so I bought 2. And then whatever I don't use, I'm taking a bag with me. And this is just more garbage bags just in case they didn't give me enough. Dollar store find, okay? So I really didn't spend that much, but the dollar store definitely provided everything that I need. So now let me get off this floor and bring you guys over here. So in my apartment, this is just a little sitting area, which I actually am gonna be converting because I don't use this table. Like, when I'm eating, I eat in my bed or I eat on this table. So I'm gonna put this as my little makeup studio because I wanna start doing my makeup here. So I ordered some stuff off of Amazon, and when it gets here, I'm gonna set it up super duper cute so I can show you guys. This is just my camera on a camera stand, nothing really special. I always show you guys this view in every single video because I am still amazed by the view. This is my favorite part about the apartment, just having the windows all here. And because I'm super high up, I know those people can't see me when I walk around in my underwear. Moving on. So over here is the TV. So the thing that I really love about this TV is that it comes with Chromecast. If you are somebody who is traveling, I would definitely recommend you get like a Chromecast or a Roku stick. Definitely Chromecast. I've never had one before, but this thing has changed my life. So literally what it does is, once you connect from your phone to the TV, it will project anything that's on your phone, apps, music, all that onto the TV. So Netflix, even my Pandora. I use this as my speaker. Like in the morning when I wake up and stuff like that, I will just play all my music and everything else on my TV. Like, I love it. As soon as I get back home, I will be buying myself a Chromecast thingy. So on this table, all I have is my MacBook, so I can edit my videos, and this is my iPad, which is cracked, and I will be purchasing one within the next couple of weeks. My shades, and that is pretty much it. Nobody's ever here, but I really love this. I usually just sit here with my feet kicked up, and that is pretty much it. Over here is my bed. Nothing really special about my bed. If you're somebody who is crazy and neurotic about pillowcases and stuff, bring your own satin pillowcase. There's nothing wrong with that. I just have a scarf under there, and that is for my hair for when I am sleeping, because I hate getting oil on my pillowcases and then I start breaking out like crazy, and nobody likes that. And that is pretty much it for the main space. So now I'm gonna take you guys into the bathroom. Hello and welcome back to my bathroom. So in my bathroom, this is where I've been spending the most time getting ready, getting pretty, doing my hair, all that stuff. And these are all the things that I travel with. Now, when it comes to this bathroom, these products may seem to be a little excessive, but that's just me. I like to be cute, I like to be pretty. I know I'm filming when I am traveling, so I just bring some things with me. Now, this is just makeup brushes and stuff like that, and I purchased these cute little cups. I didn't bring them with me, but you can get these at Target for $1, and they are absolutely perfect. They've been housing my makeup brushes and my makeup other stuff. So ladies, another thing that I do is I always travel with a makeup stick. Oopsie. I don't really do liquid. The sticks are just smaller, they're compact, they're literally like the size of a lipstick, and they just fit into everything into my bag. These are just my glasses and my face primer and my contact case. I move my tissue box from here to here because I actually use it a lot more if it's right here when I'm doing my makeup and I want to wash my hands, all that jazz. Here is all my hair products. I'm a little neurotic, but this does not happen by accident. And that's pretty much it. Here is just a little bit more makeup stuff. hair stuff, my toothbrush. Actually, that's my toothbrush in there. This was an old one. And that is pretty much it. If we move down here, this is other stuff that I have. I have to have makeup wipes and just wet wipes in general. So this is one that I bought at the dollar store, and this has witch hazel in it. And the reason I like this is because this is what I use to take off my makeup. You cannot be using other people's hotel or wherever you're staying, using their washcloths to take off your makeup. First of all, you're not gonna have enough for every other day, and you don't wanna dirty these people's things because they will charge you. So this is a great alternative, and it has witch hazel, and this has been like really good for my skin. I have cotton balls for when I wanna use my toner, brushes, spray on deodorant. I always use spray on deodorant. I'm not a fan of like the ones that y'all know what I'm talking about. I just like spray on. For me, they're just easier when I'm traveling with. They weigh a little bit less, I think, in my head, whatever. But I just really like spray on deodorant. This is their blow dryer. I haven't used it, but whatever. And just some lotion. Over here, it's just more towels. They provided me all these towels. I use them, nothing really special. Showered, nothing really special. I just been, well, I went out and I purchased some shower gel. This is what I just used to wash up with. I don't like soap. The only reason they're on the floor is because it doesn't have that little indentation, the wall in this apartment where I would stick them. Ugh, so I have to put them on the floor. How ratchet. Just kidding. But yeah, that's why it's like that. So also in this space, I have a washer and dryer, which is a luxury that I was willing to splurge on because I am not a fan of going somewhere strange and trying to find out where I can wash my stuff. So just having this washer and dryer in here just makes my life so much easier. I did go ahead and purchase some more OxyClean stuff because they only gave me a starter kit. So that is another thing I would definitely anticipate probably having to purchase. And that is pretty much it, guys. That is my space. Let me do this outro so then you guys can move on with your lives and watch another one of my videos. All right, guys, that is the end of my video. That is my apartment tour. That is all the things that I bring with me when I'm on a travel assignment. I hope it gave you some great ideas. If you are somebody who's a travel nurse, you're thinking about traveling. Actually, if you're just a traveling medical person in general, not even necessarily a nurse. If you finished the video, please comment down below, "I finished your video, girl." Exclamation point. I finished your video, girl. Exclamation point. So that lets me know that you actually watched this whole thing. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the commentary, and I hope to see you at my next video. And that is pretty much it. I actually have to go to work today, so I'm gonna take a quick nap in my bed, and then I am going to throw on some scrubs so that I can go and continue to save the day. So that is it. I love you guys so much, and I hope to see you at my next video. Mwah!